Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through the introduction of HTML. This series is based on HTML and you can get the link of the whole series in the description below. HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML stands for Hyper Text Markup Language. HTML describes the structure of a web page. HTML consists of a series of elements. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. HTML elements label pieces of content such as this is a heading, this is a paragraph, this is a link, etc. Now let's open VS Code. For this whole HTML series, I'm going to use VS Code as my code editor. If you need to learn more about VS Code, you can watch my videos and find the links in the description below. And the web browser is used to display HTML documents or web pages such as Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari. I'm going to use Chrome. Now let's create our first HTML document. Click on this new file. Let's name it index.html. Enter. The extension of the HTML document is .html and type in here ht and select this second suggestion, and this is the power of VS Code. You just start typing and it gives you suggestions. And let me clean it a bit, this and line as well. We'll discuss all of these things in later videos. Let's keep things less confusing for now. And this is the basic structure of our web page or HTML document. Let me show you how our first web page, let me close this now, and let me show you how our first web page looks in the browser. I'm also using this extension live server, and with this extension you can launch a local development server with live reload feature and open this web page from VS Code in your preferred browser. Let me close this and click on this go live button. By the way, if you need to learn more about this extension, you can watch the video and find the link in the description below, and click this go live button to open the page in the browser. And let's keep Visual Studio Code and Chrome browser side by side. This is our first web page. We don't have anything right now because there isn't anything within the body tag. Let me add a heading here, h1. Let's go h1 and type in here this is our first heading, and I'm also gonna give it a paragraph with P and type in here this is a paragraph. Hit save, and now you see heading and the paragraph on our web page, and I don't need to reload my page because I'm using this extension with VS Code, and this is the power of this extension. You don't need to reload your page as you make changes to your HTML document. Now in the browser you only see the content of HTML tags, and these are all HTML elements. An HTML element is defined by a starting tag, some content, and an end tag. Let's talk about all of these tags now. The stock type declaration defines that this document is an HTML5 document. This HTML tag is the root element of an HTML page. Then we have this head element. It contains meta information about the HTML page, as we have here the title of the page, and it shows in the browser's title bar or in the Pages tab. Let me show you. This is title of our page, or let's say page title. Hit save, and there you go. Then we have this body element. It defines the document's body and is a container for all the visible contents such as headings, paragraphs, images, hyperlinks, tables, lists, etc. The h1 element defines a large heading, and this p tag defines a paragraph. And that ends the video here. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.